Hello friends, welcome to the Advanced Learning Center. আজি আমি আৰম্ভ কৰিম আসাম হিষ্ট্ৰীৰ পাৰ্ট 4। ইতিমধ্যে আমি আসাম হিষ্ট্ৰীৰ পাৰ্ট 1, পাৰ্ট 2 এণ্ড পাৰ্ট 3 আমাৰ চেনেলত আপডেট কৰিছোঁ। আজি আমি আপলোড কৰিম সেইটো ভিডিঅ'ত ডিছকাছ কৰিম আসাম হিষ্ট্ৰীৰ পাৰ্ট 4। তো আপোনালোকে সবে শ্বেয়াৰ আৰু সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবলৈ নাপাহৰিব। তো আজি চাওক আমি আৰম্ভ কৰিছোঁ আসাম হিষ্ট্ৰীৰ পাৰ্ট 4 লৈ। Who wrote the book Bhakti Ratnavali? Madhavdev wrote the book Bhakti Ratnavali. Assam gas cracker project was approved in April 2006. এইটো অসম শান্তি চুক্তিৰ এটা প্ৰজেক্ট আছিল আৰু এই চুক্তিৰ মেইন কাৰণ আছিল সেট আপ কৰাৰ মেইন কাৰণটো আছিল যে উত্তৰ পূৰ্বাঞ্চলৰ উন্নতিৰ কাৰণে টু সেট আপ ফৰ দ্য ডেভেলপমেণ্ট অফ নৰ্থ ইষ্টাৰ্ণ ৰিজন। এইটো অসম শান্তি চুক্তিৰ এইটো এটা আসাম গেছ ক্ৰেকাৰ এটা প্ৰজেক্ট আছিল অসম গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট প্লাছ ইণ্ডিয়া গভৰ্ণমেণ্টৰ লগত। So this is mainly set up for the development of the northeastern region. Shohid Divas is celebrated in 10 December. It is observed in the memory of martyrs like Khargeshwar Talukdar. অসম আন্দোলনৰ শহীদ হোৱা মানুহসকলৰ স্মৃতিৰ কাৰণে এই শহীদ দিৱসটো 10 ডিসেম্বৰৰ এভৰি ইয়াৰত পালন কৰা হয়। In which district of Assam Soinik School is located? It is in Gwalpara, and there are only one Soinik school in Assam, and that is in Gwalpara district. In which district of Assam Sri Surya Pahar is located? Surya Pahar is located in Gwalpara. Which is the only Assamese who represent India in the first roundtable conference held at London in 1930? It was Chandradhar Borua was the only Assamese person who represent India in the first roundtable conference that is held in London in the year 1930. Assam's only fishery college, that is College of Fishery Science, is located in Roha. It is under Assam Agriculture University, that is AEU, and started academic function from the year 1987-88. This is the college picture of College of Fishery Science, that is located in Roha. Dola Shudia Bridge is built in the river Lohit. Okay, this is the right side corner. It is picture of Dola Shudia Bridge. The length of this bridge is 9,150 meter and breadth is 12.9 meter. Construction start November 2011 and open 26 May 2007 by our current Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, and the bridge type is beam type bridge. The company which completed the construction of this bridge is Navoyoga Engineering Company Limited, that is NEC Limited, and this bridge is connecting Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. So this is all about the Dola Shudia Bridge. Okay, so it is on the river Lohit. Length is 9,150 meter, breadth is 12.9 meter. Construction start November 2011, open in 26 May 2017 by Narendra Modi, and beam type bridge constructed by Navoyoga Engineering Company Limited and connecting Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. So who is also known as the father of Brahmoman or mobile theatre of Assam? Achyut Lashkar is known as the father of Brahmoman or mobile theatre. The first mobile theatre play was staged on 2nd October 1963 in Pathshala. Okay, 2nd অক্টোবৰত 1963 চনত পাঠশালাত ভ্ৰাম্যমান থিয়েটাৰ আৰু মোবাইল থিয়েটাৰৰ ফাৰ্ষ্ট ষ্টেজ শ্ব' হৈছিলে. Which singer is also known as the king of Bihu? It is Khagen Mahanto. He is the father of our popular singer Papan Mahanto. So Khagen Mahanto is known as the king of Bihu. Which one is the first film where Bhupen Hazarika sings a playback singer? Indra Maloti is the first film where Bhupen Hazarika sings a playback singer. It is the second Assamese language film directed by Jyoti Prasad Agarwala, and it is released in the year 1939. The Assam silk industry is mainly centered in Shualkusi. Shualkusit amar Assam silk industry আছে. Who had established the Barpata Shatru in Barpata? Madhavdev was established the Barpata Shatru in Barpata. It is established in the year 1505. Barpata is also known as the Shatra Nagari. Who had established the Burman dynasty in Assam? Pushpa Burma was established the Burman dynasty in Assam, and Burman dynasty was the first historical dynasty of Kamrupa kingdom, and it is established in 350 to 650. Almost 300 years they have সিহঁতে ৰাজত্ব কৰিছিল অসমত বৰ্মন ডাইনেষ্টি. Which Shargadev shifted the capital of Assam kingdom from Gargaon to Rangpur? Rudradhar Sinha was shifted the capital of Assam kingdom from Gurgaon to Rangpur in the year 1707. It is in Shivsagar district. Which Assam king is also known as Bamuni Kunwar? Shudangpha is known as the Bamuni Kunwar. Who had discovered tea plants in Assam in the year 1823? Robert Bruce, who has discovered the tea plant in Assam in the year 1823. The Guwahati Tea Auction was established in the year 1970. The head office is located in GS Road, Guwahati. Which one is also known as Tea City of India? Dibrugarh is also known as the Tea City of India. Assam only chemical fertilizer plants is located in Namrup. Assam percentage in tea production in respect of world total production is 14%. অসমৰ চাহ ৱৰ্ল্ডৰ প্ৰডাকশ্যনৰ টোটাল 14%. এইটো চাইনাৰ টোটাল হ'ল 43%, India 22%, Kenya 8%, Sri Lanka 5%, and other countries 22%. India production হয় ৱৰ্ল্ডৰ চাহৰ 22%, তাৰে 14% production হয় অসমত. The second most popular city in Assam is Silchar. The Assam Agriculture University, Jorhat, was established in the year 1969. Which Assam queen built the Shivadol in Shivsagar? Puleshwari Devi, who was built the Shivadol in Shivsagar in the year 1714 to 44. The temple was dedicated to Shiva. This is the picture of Shivadol. Madam Mephi festival is celebrated by Ahoms. The meaning of this word is Mi means offering, Dam means ancestors, and 5 means gods. So the term Madam Mephi means oblations offered to the ancestor spirits. This is the Madam Mephi festival pictures. In which of the district the Jonbil Mela held in every year? It is in Morigao districts. So in Morigao district the Jonbil Mela is celebrated by the Tiwa community people. It is called because a large natural water body is shaped like a crescent moon. So that's why, because of this shaping, the large number of natural water body is shaped like a crescent moon. That's why it is called John Bell Mela. Jatinga village is located in which districts? It is in Dima Hasao. In which month Ambubasi Mela is celebrated in Kamakya temple? It is in Ahar month. In the middle of June, this Ambubasi Mela is celebrated in every year in Kamakya temple. And this Kamakya temple is located in Nilachal Hill, and it is built by Naranarayan, who is also known as the Kala Guru of Assam. Vishnu Prasad Rava is known as the Kala Guru of Assam, who is also known as Giti Kavi of Assam. Parvati Prasad Borua is also known as the Git Kavi of Assam. During which dynasty region the Madan Kamdev temple in Kamrup was built? It is Pala dynasty. During the region of Pala dynasty, the Madan Kamdev temple in Kamrup was built. From which year the Assam Divas or Sukapha Divas is celebrated on 2nd December? From 1996, the Assam Divas or Sukapha Divas is celebrated on 2nd December. In which location Manas river joined the Brahmaputra river? It is in Jogigopa. Brahmaputra is the longest river in the world. Brahmaputra is the 15th longest river in the world. Its length is 6,848 km. First longest river in the world is Nile, and its length is 7,088 km. The total number of districts that are on the bank of Brahmaputra river is 21. The last major tributary river of Brahmaputra in Assam before it entering Bangladesh is Sankosh. Sankosh river is the flowing through the western part of the Assam, and it is the last river of the Assams that is flowing through the Assam. So the Brahmaputra in Assam before entering Bangladesh it contact with Sankosh. The Assam Medical College was established in the year 1947, formerly known as Berry White Medical College. আগত এটু Berry White Medical College নামে জনাজাত আছে. The Namdang Stone Bridge was constructed during the reign of Ahom King Rudradhar Sinha, constructed in the year 1703. During the reign of Ahom King Rudradhar Sinha, the bridge is 16 meter long, 6.5 meter wide, and 1.7 meter height. Moimoria Rebellion started during the reign of Lakshmi Sinha. It is started in 25 November 1769 and ended in 1805. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like this video and press the bell icon to get new notification how new videos is posted. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.